to that as well.
Yes, yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Photo op, please. Special thanks as well to SM City, North Edsa, and SM Cinema. We would also like to thank our official partners, PBO, Pagandang Bayan, 24/7 of the best local movies and specials. Sari Sari, TMC, your titleized movie channel, Mas Masaya, by Satellite. Viva Cinema, CMP, Celestial Movies Pinoy, Halo Halo Radio, and Energy FM 106.7. Karma is rated R16 by the MTRCB. Kaya naman, invite everyone, mga kaibigan, kapamilya, kapitbahay, jowa, ex, nyo, kaaway. Starting tomorrow, June 19, Karma will be showing in cinemas nationwide. So, kung red man ang buhok mo, or pink violet, or blue, whatever, please come one and all to the, of course, directed by the top-rated TV series director, Direct Albert Lanita. So, he directed some of the most successful TV shows that you've seen. And the recent one is Lubog Ka sa Lupa, which is going to be airing on TV5 at 7 p.m. That's the time slot. So, invite everybody, guys, to watch Karma. And it's been a while since we've been having an action sa Filipino original film. Kaya naman, please, okay, are you guys ready to meet our stars? Ako yun.
Kaya natin. Susubukan natin lumapad sa Hollywood. Kaya naman natin eh. May talento tayo. May galing tayo. May istorya tayo. Kasi sa thinking, kinikwento na ang action ng Pilipino. Nagkahintik-hintik. Palurin.
Of course, this movie is led by Ren Escanio.
Yes.
Anong klaseng red bang mapapanood?
Ibang klaseng red ang makita nyo dito. Abangan nyo. Ito, abangan nyo yung fight scene namin ni Ren dito. Si Ren talaga. Kami dalawa talaga ni Ren yung naglaban doon.
Again, Karma is rated R16 by the MTRCB. Kaya if you're 15 years old, huwag mo naman ako. Yeah, this is a guaranteed, really good film by, of course, Direct Albert Lanita.
Sa cinemas nationwide, ang Karma, palutin niyo po.
Another version, Karma now showing in cinemas nationwide.
Karma now showing cinemas nationwide.
Thank you.
Viva Cinema, CMP, Celestial Movies Pinoy, Halo Halo Radio, and Energy FM 106.7.
Ngayon ipapalabas na po sa sinehan yung pinagpaguran nating pelikula.
Are you guys ready to
dapat
meet our lead stars?
ang mamamanood ng
Hindi ko
Philippine
kayo
audience?
narinig, wala naman sa lakas. Are you guys ready?
Kasi
Kumain na ba kayo?
pinilit namin
Hindi
iangat
ba?
siya kasi
Pareho tayo.
hindi natin kailangan i-shortchange yung Filipino audience. And
Mamaya
kailangan ng
makapili na natin ang
ganitong pelikula
ating
para
lead stars
maging
na si Ren
progresivo,
Escanio and
para
Sid Lucero.
mag-inject ng bagong buhay sa Philippine cinema.
Direct, this movie of course is led by Ren Escanio. Anong klaseng Ren ba ang mapapanood natin?
Well,
Again, guys,
kahit ako naman
Karma
ang
is
nakilala si Ren,
be
ginulat ako
shown
ni Ren.
in
Kasi
cinemas
nung
nationwide
nagsisimula
starting
kami,
tomorrow, June
meron siyang
19, that's
set down kung
Wednesday.
kaya niya bang gawin.
So,
Kasi first
invite
time
na
na
lahat ng mga kaibigan, mga
action.
kaaway,
Pero,
mga kapamilya,
sinanay kasi
kapitbahay,
namin siya.
lahat
Nag-undergo
ng
siya ng
ex
series
mo,
of
manood ng Karma.
instant training.
Directed by, of course,
Tungkol din sa
Sir
mga
Albert
workshop.
Lanita.
Umiiyak siya, oo, bago punan yung mga eksena, pero nag-deliver niya ng tama. Ang masasabi ko lang, magaling na action star sa film. Hindi lang siya isang dramalita. She's an action star.
Direct, sabi mo, itong action, itong Karma, hindi tinipid, bakit siya dapat panoorin sa big screen ng Philippine audience. Kaya sumusubok ulit tayo ng action sa mga
Sige, mga quiz tayo.
Unang-una,
Sa inyo na panood,
marami nagsasabi na Philippine cinema is
si Ren Escanio.
Of course, I don't
TV
want to
show?
believe that. Ang kailangan
Yung mga
na
fans ni Ren.
tamang proyekto,
Anong
tamang
TV
mga
show na napanood si Ren last?
tamang kwento, tamang
O ba't
opportunity.
kayo mataliko?
Kailangan natin ilaban lahat kasi
Guys, sino ang
kung hindi natin yung gagawin,
ano mga TV shows
hindi
na
tayo
gawa ng
nalilipad
Ren?
talaga. Kasi sobrang talented ng mga Pilipino. Okay, and sana na-project namin sa Karma yung talent na dala-dala nating mga Pilipino.
Direct, congrats po. Invite na lang natin Philippine audience to watch Karma in cinemas tomorrow.
Bukas G19, ipapalabas na yung Karma. I hope, we hope
fans
yung
at ang
Karma
natin.
panoorin ninyo yung pelikula
As per
ang
the
ginawa
friendly
namin
goals.
para ma-enjoy ninyo. At the same time, mag-iwan ng aral.
Thank you, Direct. Congrats. Congrats.
Please invite everyone.
Guys, Karma, any cinema pick nationwide is showing.
What do you guys most look for? What do you most look forward to in the film?
Ako personally yung mga action scenes kasi first time makakita ng mga tao yung parang side ko. And, my gosh, so disappoint naman kayo, I'm telling you, I did my best. My very best. So sana ma-appreciate niyo po yun. At sana panoorin po ang pelikula natin sa first day, which is tomorrow, June 19. Sana po, panoorin, supportahan po ninyo, higatin niyo po yung mga friends and family ninyo to go out at panoorin niyo po sa cinema. Isama po namin dito sa Paolo Paraiso, Krista Miller, Roy Benson, and many, many more. And of course, directed by Albert Lapitan. Produced by Happy Infant Productions in association with Mobius Films and distributed by Vivo Films. Maraming salamat po sa mga pumunta ngayon. Friends natin, guys! Pa-billboard na yung card ko, ha? Thank you so much.
Sid, what sets Karma apart from the projects that they've done in the past?
Ren Escanio,
Is this the first
wala
time?
yung favorite projects mo?
Okay, well, thank you so much, guys. I'm looking forward to watching the film now. Enjoy the film.
Oh, let's go.
Please give a round of applause for Lisa, ladies and gentlemen, Cinema Sam, and Ren Escanio. Photo op, please.
Dikit po kayo saan? Yan. Dito po.
We can go in the cinema na, guys, so I'll start na yung ating screening. Everybody who has tickets, you can go in the cinemas.
One more here.
Sa lahat ng mga tickets, pag na po tayong pumasok sa ating cinema before our stars go inside. Dapat nakapwesto na kayo lahat. Again, Karma in cinemas nationwide starting tomorrow, June 19. So invite everybody, kapamilya, kapitbahay, kaaway, lahat ng mga ka. Come and watch Karma in cinemas nationwide. It is rated R16 by the TRCB. Also, please use our official hashtags for tonight. Karma and Karma Premiere post. This red carpet premiere film is presented to you by Happy Media Productions and DFL. Special thanks to SM City North Edsa and SM Cinema. We would also like to thank our official partners, PBO, Paborito ng Bayan, 24/7 of the best local movies and specials. Sari Sari, TMC, Tagalize Movie Channel, Mas Masaya Pag Tagalize, Viva Cinema, CMP, Celestial Movies Pinoy, Hello Hello Radio, and Energy FM 106.7. Karma is rated R16 by the MTRCB. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome on stage the cast and director of Karma, starting off with Crystal Miller, Paolo Paraiso, Direct Albert Lanitan, and Direct Zyro. And of course, joining us later will be Ren and Sid Lucero. Hi guys, hi again, friends here.
Hello again. Thank you so much ng support sa pelikula ng Karma. And enjoy niyo po yung pelikula, showing na po ng horror. Thank you po sa lahat ng
Sawa na sila sa akin.
Bukas po, magsimula nationwide, sa mga cinemas ng SM, marami ibang mga mall. Karma po, napakit ang pelikula. Maraming napakit ang pelikula.
Birthday po natin, napaka-importante bagay po.
Thank you everyone sa pamanood ng Karma. Thank you for being into it.
Ayan, yung ipapalabas na pinagpaguran yung pelikula. Congrats sa inyo. Anong klaseng action bang i-offer ng Karma?
Hindi nakakahinga. Ganong level. Intense. Action-packed.
Action! Barilan! Sabot! Action!
Madaming sabugin na magaganap and malubog. So, intense.
For this movie, like by you, anong klaseng rin bang mapapanood natin?
Ito yung Ren na never nakita before.
Yes.
And
Direct,
hindi ko pa nga nakikita yung sarili ko
do
before.
you have any particular
First time ko na nakikita yung napanood sa
Of course, I don't know what's
Hindi
the
ko
area.
pa mapanood eh. So, kinakabahan ko. Pero yeah, exciting. Kasi different genre, iba naman yung side na nakikita ng mga tao. So hopefully, ma-appreciate.
Let's invite the people to watch Karma in cinema.
Yes! Guys, Karma! 2019, basta po yan. Sana panoorin niyo po.
All SM cinemas nationwide. Actually, any cinema nationwide.
Yes, first day, please, panoorin po. Of course, directed by Albert
Oh,
Lanitan.
that's a giveaway.
Thank you. Thanks, Chris.
So let me message our friends here and maybe invite everyone to watch Karma.
Let's watch Karma!
Guys, first night's the premiere. Tomorrow you can catch the screening anywhere in the country. Just pick one and watch it. The more people to watch, the more movies we can make.
Yes. Yeah. Before we go in the cinema, please.
Yes, hi everybody. Thank you so much for coming. And inibitahan po namin kayo na sana nakikiusap po kayo panoorin niyo po yung pelikula namin bukas, first day. Napaka-importante po nun para mas marami po tayo magawang pelikula. Supportahan natin ang mga local films natin. Unahin niyo na po kami. Bukas po, June 19, of course, directed by Albert Lanitan, everybody!
Best of luck to you guys.
Zarato! Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. Sana po ma-enjoy niyo at ma-appreciate niyo po yung pelikula namin.
Ladies and gentlemen, our cast and directors of Karma. You're not going to cinema, guys. Congratulations in advance.